Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TP-Link Tapo devices safely. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with your TP-Link Tapo devices safely, first, ensure that your device is properly powered on and connected to the Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install the Tapo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. You will be prompted to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create a new account, tap on Sign Up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service before proceeding. After submitting your information, check your email for the verification link. Click the verification link in your email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Tapo app to log in. Upon logging in, you will see an option to add a new device. Select the device type you want to authenticate, such as a camera or smart plug. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Tapo device to the app. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the Tapo device to join. Next, ensure that the Tapo device is in pairing mode. You can usually enter pairing mode by holding down the reset button on the device for a few seconds. Once the device is in pairing mode, tap on Next in the app to search for available devices. The app will begin scanning for your Tapo device. When your device appears on the screen, select it to proceed. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password for your network to connect the device. Upon successful connection, you will see a confirmation message in the app. Now you can customize your device settings as per your preferences. Be sure to review the security settings to ensure your device is protected. Once you have finished configuring your device, you can begin using it safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.